Hi, this is Helen from Titan Funding Group, and it's Monday, the 7th of March. What's up with rates today? These are the reports that are going to come out this week that will affect the market both positively and negatively. It's pretty light trading. The only thing that's really looks like it's going to have an impact are the retail sales. And in reality, on the rates go up category, there really isn't anything today. On the rates go down, well, Libya, that's major. And oil prices, ouch, that hurts. And protests in Saudi, Greece was downgraded again. There's a whole bunch of stuff happening in the world right now that is not good, and that's going to keep the rates low. Okay, so here's what's happening today. We're having a really good rally. We're up 25 basis points from the start of the day. Now remember, each one of these candlesticks represents a different day. If it's a green candlesticks, that means that the market improved for rates. If it's a red, that means that they deteriorated. As the rates go up, that means rates are going down. As they go down, that means they're going up. So let's see, over today, you can see I have minute-to-minute information on what's happening with the mortgage-backed security rates, and that's what determines the rates. We've already had a price improvement, so that is pretty phenomenal. So this is the last month. Let's look at the last 3 months. You can see there's been a lot of volatility, but we're really right now at a very good time. Rates are really good. Let's show you what that really means. So first of all, I want to make the announcement that our major lender that we work with, Hyperion, is now has been bought by Impact Funding, which is really good news for my borrowers because now we don't have those nasty little pricing overlays for a lot of the products that we have. So it's just, this is going to be good for my borrowers. But first, I want to remind you about the risk-based pricing that goes into every loan for every loan officer that you're working with. So depending on the credit score and the loan to value, we're going to have these adds to the pricing of the loan, as well as over here if it's a 45-day or if it's a non-owner occupied. These are factors that go into the pricing of the loan. And let's look at the conventionals. So Friday was really nice. We had price improvements. So it looks like right now we're at 4.75 at an eighth back for the borrower, and on a 15-year we would be at 4 and an eighth. Let's look at our govies. Wanted to show you the Home Pack program. These are loans based that are for Fannie Mae owned homes. 30-year fix looks like at 4.75 at par. They also have adjustables that I can talk with my borrowers about. And let's look at so on FHA, the risk-based pricing is not near as bad as it is on the conforming. So if they have a credit score of 720 and above, they actually get a credit of an eighth of a point. And you can see if their credit score is 660 to 719, they don't have any ad at all. So I would be looking at 4.75 with a 2 rebate. That is wonderful. And I also have the 5-1 arm, which is very popular. Let's see how that chunks out for the borrower. Okay, so on an 80% conventional loan on a purchase or a rate and term with the credit score like 740 and above, their principal and interest would be this. And they'd have about a $250 credit to go towards their closing costs. If they had a lower credit score, their payment would be this at this interest rate, and they'd only have about $750 to go towards their closing costs. That's a lot of money every month just because of the credit score. So a lot of times I'll work with my borrowers to raise their credit score so that they can afford a payment that is a lot more in tune with what they're comfortable with and still get a nice house. But I want to remind everybody that FHA is going to lower the mortgage insurance on the 18th of April, and it's really going to affect what the borrowers can qualify for. I've got a great little video that can help clients get off the fence, so give me a call. So the days of sitting on the fence are over. Rates are wonderful. Prices of homes are wonderful. Give me a call and I'll be glad to pre-approve you. Hope you have a marvelous day. Bye-bye.